Okay, this is just a real short video, kind of wrapping up the instructional portion of this, and then there's going to be one last video about that helps you out with the homework, and then we're going to be done for the day. All right, so like I said, just a wrap-up summary of day one. There's three basic operations of calculus. There's derivatives. Derivatives take in a function and give you the rate of change. You got your indefinite integrals. Those take in the rate of change and give you a function. You got your definite integrals. Those take in a function and two boundaries and give you the area under the curve. Limits. So far, if you take a real calculus class, there's some very sophisticated ways of solving for limits, but for the purposes of this class, all you have to do is know how to solve limits by simplifying and then substituting in the limit. The four ways you have of simplifying are factor and cancel, particularly anything that's a second-order polynomial or higher. Rationalize the denominator, especially if you have some sort of square root or cubic root in the denominator. Square roots are best. Add or subtract the with the least common denominator. In other words, find the least common denominator and add or subtract. This is particularly good when you've got fractions that are added together or fractions that are subtracted from each other. You can also simplify compound fractions. All four of these are good strategies for solving limits. Last but not least, another key concept is that a derivative is also the slope of the tangent. Derivatives do not exist at cusps and discontinuities. If a tangent is vertical, then the slope is either positive infinity or negative infinity. And the graph of you can graph a function, draw tangents, and then calculate the slopes, and then by regraphing those slopes, presto, you've got a derivative. You've got the crudest way of getting a derivative, but it's still a derivative. Okay, so like I said, this was a really short video. Up next is going to be a sample problem similar to the homework problem, and then it's just up to you to do the homework. There is one more thing, and it's the video, not a video, a song about derivatives. So it's a bit of a study break after a very long lesson. Thanks for your patience. See you in the next video.